Infor CloudSuite Industrial is an advanced, highly flexible solution offering manufacturing companies the functionality needed to compete in today's highly complex global environment. Customer service is a critical department for all manufacturing companies. Let's take a look at how Claire converts a quote into an order, as well as collaborate with other departments to review production, delivery schedules, and service orders for their customers. Claire receives a call from Stevenson Sporting Goods, who's ready to place their order for a new forklift we had quoted previously. Claire has their Customer 360 record already open. She can navigate to her quotes and orders, and already sees that they have a quote D32 ready to be processed. She can easily copy that estimate and turn it into an order for the customer. All Claire needs to do is process the order. She informs the customer that they have a new order number, DC415. Looking at the details, Claire informs the customer that the projected due date is February 28th for the forklift. The customer would prefer to have it by the 21st if possible, so Claire can check that date in real time for the customer. Claire creates a production job to add to the current production schedule. From here, she can run a capable to promise check for the customer. She sees that the capable to promise updates the date from the 28th to the 24th based upon the current production schedule. She can now use the 21st as a request date and see if her production team can help her with this customer request. Claire goes back into the production job and decides to share it with her production team. She sends a message to Kirk Taylor and ties directly into the production order in question, so there's nothing lost in translation as Kirk decides to take a look at this information. Claire can now wait to hear back from Kirk in production. While on the phone with Stevenson, they ask her to check on a service part. Claire tells them that she can easily check that information for them. Back on our Customer 360, Claire can quickly navigate to all service requests and service orders. She checks on incidents and sees that there is an O-ring in question for one of their other forklifts. She can quickly dig into the details and see that they're currently waiting on a purchase order to come in for that particular part. She can further drill into the details on that purchase order and see that it is in fact a 7-inch O-ring coming in from Grove City, and it's due in soon. Claire decides to collaborate with Paul in purchasing so he can check on this purchase order. She sends a message to Paul and connects the purchase order in question, so again, nothing is lost in translation and he can quickly look into the details on this purchase order. Claire has collaborated with both production and purchasing on behalf of her customer, Stevenson Sporting Goods. She can now move on to other customers to assist and navigates to her page of alerts and tasks and messages. Here you can see both of Claire's messages, one to Paul and one to Kirk. She can also now respond to the message from the VP of Sales. The order has been placed and Kirk is looking to review production and move the schedule forwards. CloudSuite Industrial enables the customer service rep to quickly and easily find and enter information on behalf of their customers and enables seamless collaboration across the organization. To learn more about Infor CloudSuite Industrial's comprehensive manufacturing capabilities, visit infor.com.